how to fix the Roblox app not working. First, you want to go to your phone settings. Here, use the search bar at the bottom to search for Roblox. Click on Roblox and make sure cellular data and also background app refresh are both turned on. After you have done this, we can go back, and this time we're going to use the search bar to search for iPhone storage. Click on iPhone storage, and right here we just want to find Roblox, so I'm going to sort it by name, and right here you want to go down until you see Roblox. So it should be right above here, Roblox. Click on the app itself, and then you want to select offload app. Once you offload the application, then you need to reinstall it. It might take a little bit of time, but this is just going to verify your files, and it's not going to sign you out of anything. So just like that, now Roblox should work without any issues. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.